You want Vlogmas Day 16? I thought I finished. I'm gonna start another one.
Tell them what's going on. They don't understand what's. If they didn't see the last video, they don't know what's going on.
I don't used to that kind of stuff. I used to do stuff a week. I don't used to do blog every day.
You're still not telling them.
I don't.
So on Vlogmas Day 16, that's burnt.
Wow, fuck man, you don't know what you want. You want the stuff.
The thing is hot. Your pot is too hot, baby. Your pot is too
You want the thing brown?
No, I don't want it like that. Honestly, I'll make my own. I'll make my own. Thank you. Muchas gracias. I don't like burnt tortilla.
You see, folks, that's why you're not good to do nothing for
tortilla
people.
is high in calories, and if I'm gonna eat it, it better not be burnt.
Oh, I don't want it like that. I don't. Then when you cook it, oh, I don't want it like that again.
Okay, so let me explain. We were taping Vlogmas Day 15, a little snippet on today, the 16th of December.
Okay.
Because Joe didn't get a lot of footage yesterday because he was spending the whole day building his saw, and then we ran a bunch of errands, and then I had to come make a bunch of cakes, and so I wasn't paying attention to what Joe was or was not doing. So we had to tape some snippets on today, and his Vlogmas Day 15 is going up late.
Right.
Mine went up late too. Mine went up at 1 in the morning. So I stopped the camera, and I started the camera again, and I go, okay, Joe, now this is Vlogmas Day 16. Start again. And he's like, what? So go.
I thought I finished. Start again. I just do one. Rush it off and do another one.
Well, Jory just came and picked up Mabel's cake, our step-granddaughter's birthday cake. She turned 16 today. And picked up the gifts. Joe and I got her a gift, and then Gina got her a gift. Sheepy Joshua didn't get her a gift because he got her a super good Christmas gift.
You got a what?
A really good Christmas gift.
Okay. I thought this was finished.
That's Carla's pepper. Shout out Carla. Show it. Show it, babe. Show it.
I thought Carla pepper was
Come
finished.
closer. Come closer.
But I find a little bit.
Thank you, Carla, darling.
This stuff is good, folks.
Flavorful.
Okay.
And this whole time that stuff been in my face and you don't tell me nothing?
You know what?
I didn't know that the cover for the swing could tip off. So Jory came and got the cake for Mabel, and he got the gifts, but he said Mabel just barely woke up right now. So we don't have any feedback yet on the cake.
Well, they go to bed.
Probably 2 in the morning like me. And it's her birthday. She gets to sleep as late as she wants to sleep on her birthday. On a Saturday too? Huh?
Get up at 6.
Joe has always been that way. When I first got married to Joe, I would go to sleep very, very late at night, and he goes to sleep very early. But I'm in the bed right next to him. I'm not asleep, but I'm in the bed next to him. And he would still get upset with me because I wanted to sleep late the next morning, and that's not his pattern. He goes to bed early and he wakes up early just like Jory. Me and Joshua are the same.
Who get upset with you?
You, when we first got married, used to be so angry. He goes, you were up late again, huh? And you start scolding me, and especially after I had Joshua and I kept him up late with me, and then we would sleep till like 10 the next morning.
The only reason that I tell you that because I want you to get a good night's sleep. Good night, man.
He tell me that because he's bossy.
I'm not woke.
He's bossy. He still asks me that now. Like when I wake up in the morning, he goes, when did you come to bed last night? I'm like, I was in the bed right next to you at 10. You didn't see me?
I just ask her because
sometimes I go to bed early with him, and then he falls asleep, and then I'm back outside in the living room editing. That's a boo.
Not much.
You know what? This clip is for your page, but I wanted to talk about something pretty serious.
Oh, sure.
So there was a thing that was posted on Facebook, and they were asking for prayers for this little boy, right? And the lady who posted it is a Facebook friend of mine. I don't know her in real life, just a Facebook friend. She always likes everything I put out, and when I ask for prayers, she's always putting prayers, you know, saying the prayers and stuff. So I said a prayer for the kid, and then later on, I think the next day after the lady asked for help, the kid passed away. And so I just found out yesterday how I could possibly know the kid, and that part's not important. The important part is what I found out about his passing. What's going on over there? So they said he passed away from meningitis. He was a 9-year-old boy, handsome, I don't know what handsome has anything to do with it, but he's a nice looking kid and very energetic, was in sports, all type of stuff. And I guess he contracted the disease and he didn't stand a chance.
What gave you the disease?
They said it's I guess they have two kinds of meningitis, a viral kind and a bacterial kind. And I guess either one you catch, let me not say either one, the bacterial one, that's the one I looked up. You can catch it from somebody else, like if you use their utensils, their cup, their, you know, stuff like that. Share the same water bottle. What else? You can, if they're like having the runny nose and, you know, showing signs of the sickness, I guess it can be transferred that way. I don't know that it can be transferred through a sneeze, but probably, I don't know. I don't want to say wrong things. But it's something that they have a vaccine for. And apparently this kid didn't get the jab.
You want my apple too?
You need to go. Jory came and saw her and said she's putting on weight again. She's porking up. And these two dogs never, ever, ever, ever have they ever fought. We've had both of them since 2014. They've never been in a fight. And they fought this morning. Cora likes to bite Wednesday behind her neck when Wednesday steps outside. And Wednesday wasn't having it today. And Wednesday snapped at her and went for the jugular. I'm like, what is wrong? My granddaughters don't fight, you know? Yeah, so that's what we found out, why the kid unfortunately passed. And it's so sad. This is my view on the jabs. I'm not the first one in line to ever get a jab when it's first made, right? You see how long it took me to get the shingles. Well, not the shingles itself, but the vaccine. That vaccine has been around for a while now. And they say you're supposed to get it when you turn 50. Now they're saying when they're 55 or 60. They don't know. I waited for 7 years, and when I felt like I should get it, that's when I got it. And maybe, yes, I took big risks, but I go with what I feel, you know what I mean? But I don't ever want to be taken out of this life, this beautiful life that I have, because I really do feel like we have a beautiful life, right? We can always use more money. Who out there can't use more money? But we have everything else. We have our health. We have our right minds, right? To think. If you have your right mind, you can always get wealthy, right? We have 3 kids that are doing right things, right? Now we have an extension to the family. Jory got married. We have Esther and Mabel. I've got siblings. Some of them still like me.
I'm Sandra.
But you see what I mean, right? We've got a lot. And I don't want to lose my opportunity to have so many more happy years because I didn't take a jab. My aunt that I am named after, she died at age 6 from diphtheria because she didn't get the jab when she was little. My mom said she doesn't think any was available at the time in Belize because, you know, Belize only get what they're given, you know what I mean? So now they're putting things, I don't know if it's because of this little boy's passing, but they're posting things out there now in Belize about giving the kids from wee babies, because that's how they get it over here. From a small baby to get this. It hot.
Hot bath.
It hot. I'm getting burned. Daddy, can we go to the beach? It's gonna be hot again.
You got beach money?
I love you.
I ain't gonna help. I'm gonna help. Feed me, then you gonna help.
Oh my God. My next husband has to not be hungry all the time. Did you hear that part?
When you eat spaghetti?
Wait, did you miss the whole part of the thing?
Your next husband?
Yeah. I don't think I would ever do that. Honestly, I've had such a good life with Joe that no one can compare. I'm gonna go inside, baby. Give me a second. Okay, show me. It's cute.
Get up at 5.
5? Wow.
I messed up. I mean, I messed up one, but
You look like cookies, babe.
it might be too thin. I'll be alright. That's alright. I forget it down to you.
Can you grab the door for me, babe? So I have a slice in there. Let me get a taste for you. I think it's your kind of cake because there's no frosting.
Not bad.
What do you think?
Good.
Get a piece with the fruit?
Not bad, not bad. What you want me to do? You want me to taste? Thank you guys for subscribing, sharing,
Like?
and comment.
Yes, you did. You did it. You did it.
And remember again, without you guys, I couldn't do it. So thank you guys again.
He ain't never lied.